Hi, this is Glenda, and I'm going to make a soap today based on the fragrance, which is Lemongrass Verbena. And what I have here is the light water, and I'm going to blend it because I added some colloidal oatmeal, and it turned this yellow colored, and there are clumps in it. So I'm going to blend it by itself to help dissolve the clumps. Alright, they seem to have dissolved some, and I'm gonna continue blending once I add this light water to the melted oils. Let me check the temperatures first for my records. I have the light water at 74 and the oils are at 126. This soap is gonna be fairly simple. I'm not gonna add any colorants, because the fragrance is supposed to discolor some, like to a beige color, and I'm curious to see how it behaves, what color I end up with, so I don't want to add any additional colors. Okay, time to blend. Alright, it seems I've reached emulsion, so I'm going to add the fragrance. I don't know how it behaves. It's supposed to behave good, other than the discoloration. And the fragrance, like I said before, is Lemongrass Verbena from new Direction Aromatics. And I'm using the whole bottle, which is 3 ounces or so. I used some for a different project, so there should be about 3 ounces left in there. And I have about 3.31 pounds of oils. So now I'm going to stick blend this until I reach light trace. Alright, I have reached light trace, and I did blend it enough that I think that the colloidal oatmeal has been properly distributed. So I'm going to grab my mold. I am using this plastic box. It had a lid before. I got it from the Dollar Tree store. I haven't used it in a while as a mold, so I want to try. Now, for embeds inside the soap, I'm using these flower logs. Some of them I use extruder to make them, and some of them I hand molded. So I'll probably show you on the side what I did, how I make them, just like a quick overview. But I will post a video with the slow down version, this normal speed version of it. It seems some of them have gotten squeezed out, and I want to put about 3 flowers per bar of soap. So I'm going to start with one on the side. Okay, I can see a slight rising on this, so I'm going to move it with the spatula to get it back to liquidy form so that I can pour it, continue to pour it. Oops, that's a lot. I really like this fragrance. It smells very, very nice. I didn't know that I was gonna like it this much, to be honest. It looks like one of my flowers is becoming, I didn't press it enough together, so the logs have come apart. So I'm going to try my best to just squeeze them slightly now and hope for the best. Alright, to do the lemongrass portion of the fragrance, I use some soap dough as well, and I roll it into flat pieces of what I hope would look like grass, you know, to simulate the lemongrass. This must be really noisy. So they're just pretty much skinny pieces of soap dough. And I'm just going to insert them in the soap. It's setting up, so it's not the easiest. And they are soft and skinny. Alright, so it's about 8:40, almost 9 actually. So it's been about 11 hours since I poured this into the mold. And it looks from one side that it's releasing well. It feels somewhat solid, but somewhat still soft. But I'm gonna try to unmold it and see how easy it is or not. So the way the soap is that what I pour on the top is actually gonna be the bottom of the soap. And out of the ends, since they're wider, I'm gonna get 2 bars. So this is a humongous bar, but I'm gonna cut this one in half to make 2 smaller bars. And I like how the flowers look with the lemongrass inserts, which that part you didn't see because my camera car got full, and I was in too much of a rush to change it since I needed to leave. And so that's how the other one looks. This one definitely has more flowers. Overall, I'm pleased. I'm gonna have to clean up the bottom and the edges a little bit, but I'm quite happy actually.